Hello everyone, back tuning into today's second video, dear weather forecast a week ahead for today's second video. So as always on a Saturday, we're having a detailed look at the weather for the coming week. And of course, it's going to be hot to start off with, certainly up to around Tuesday, possibly in the southeast, even to Wednesday. We're going to see temperatures staying up in the 30s Celsius. So yes, we're going to have quite a prolonged spell of hot weather for southern and southeast parts of the country. The weather will break down, though. The hot weather will break down around the middle part of the week. There's a little bit of uncertainty about when that happens. It looks like it's going to be Wednesday, the main breakdown day. Second half of the week will be a lot cooler, fresher, and potentially start to turn a bit more unsettled as well as we get towards next weekend. So I'll get on with the weekend forecast for you in a moment. Just to say that the first video that we released today was the third and final seasonal one roundup for the autumn of 2019. We're getting 13 long-range models together to see what they're all showing for the final time for the autumn of 2019. And of course, that is ahead of the autumn forecast that we're going to be releasing 1 week today, Saturday, the 31st of August. That will be the day that we release our autumn forecast. So that video is going to be placed on the autumn updates page later on. There'll be a written summary going over everything that we discussed in the video. And that will be with you probably around 6-7 o'clock this evening. Between now and then, we've also got the week to 10-day video update coming up on the homepage at Gazzovis. You'll be able to have a look at that. It will include all of the usual features. Big weekend of updates coming up. I'll talk you through those at the end of this video. So, starting us off is the radar picture from the Weather Outlook. You can find a link to the Weather Outlook on the links page at Gazzovis and also in the description at YouTube. So, been a mainly dry morning, but we have had some patchy rain across central northern parts of Scotland, also a little bit across Northern Ireland too. That's slightly heavier in the west of Northern Ireland, coming down into west of the Republic of Ireland. So rather brighter colours mixed in there. The rain across Scotland really is very, very patchy and light indeed. But elsewhere, it's been dry through the course of this morning. And that's how we'll keep it through this afternoon. Here's today's pressure chart. So high pressure is pretty much in control. There is a little weather system that's messing about out in the west, just producing a little bit more cloud and those showery bursts of rain. So for the rest of the afternoon, I think we keep patchy rain going across northwest Scotland in particular. Some of that coming down into northern and western parts of Ireland too. A few heavier bursts mixed in there. However, the majority of the country is going to be dry today with, unbroken sunshine likely across central and eastern parts of the country and good sunny spells likely elsewhere. Temperatures probably reach around 30 degrees in central London. 30 is 86 Fahrenheit. More generally, we're mid to upper 20s this afternoon. So certainly many of us will be going into the 80s Fahrenheit. Overnight tonight, we keep the high pressure going. That patchy rain will finally die out across north and west Scotland and Northern Ireland. There may be one or two showers breaking out across South Wales and South West England. They should be quite light and very scattered. The majority of the country will have a dry, clear, quiet night. With a mix of clear spells and variable cloud. Temperatures tonight, no problems there. Going to be a warm night ranging from around 12 to 18 degrees Celsius. Could be a little bit higher than that, in fact, with minimum temperatures tonight in central London. And that's a chart for tomorrow, so high pressure well and truly in control. So we're going to have plenty of sunshine coming up tomorrow. I think it's pretty much universally dry day, actually. There might be a little bit of patchy rain across the northwest of Scotland later, but I think essentially we're looking at a dry day tomorrow with universally dry day across the whole country tomorrow with plenty of sunshine coming through. And it's going to be a hotter day than today, so temperatures widely will reach 30 degrees across central and eastern Britain tomorrow. That's 86 Fahrenheit, but in the southeast it may be hotter than that. 32, possibly 33 degrees. Can't be ruled out somewhere like the middle of London. 32 is 90, 33 is 91 Fahrenheit, so very hot really for late August down in the southeast. And even up across Scotland, I think we'll see temperatures in the sunny spells going into the mid-20s Celsius. Last bank holiday Monday, the this vintage bank holiday concludes on bank holiday Monday, still with high pressure dominating, although just ever such a slight weakening of the ridge will allow weather systems to start to move into the northwest of Scotland. So we are likely to see cloud and outbreaks of rain moving in towards western Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of Monday. Elsewhere, loads of sunshine coming up, especially across central and east areas, perhaps more in way of cloud in the west, and that might bubble up one or two thundery showers across Wales and southwest England, maybe over the Pennines as well on Monday afternoon, but they'll be very scattered. You'll be really unlucky to catch one of those. The majority of the country away from the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland will stay dry. Temperatures perhaps down by a degree or two, but still very warm to hot for most of us, and in the southeast corner I think 32 or 33 is achievable once again, which would make this the hottest late summer bank holiday Monday on record. That only goes back to the 1970s though, of course. The atmosphere begins to wobble a bit more as we go through into Tuesday. So on Tuesday we're likely to see outbreaks of rain, possibly spreading southwards and eastwards across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So many parts of the north and northwest could have outbreaks of rain on Tuesday. England and Wales, I think we hang on to the fine weather for one more day, although there will be more cloud bubbling up. There could be a shower breaking out almost anywhere, but I would have thought most likely out in the west, but driest weather likely to be in the east and the southeast. We hold on to hot temperatures in that southeast corner. 30 degrees is possible, but up to the northwest I think it will be turning cooler and fresher, with temperatures in Scotland dropping down in towards the low 20s or the upper teens. And then it really is on Wednesday, but I think we're breaking down this hot spell of weather, properly breaking it down as this trough of low pressure moves in from the west. A lot of uncertainty about the detail on this. What I suspect is likely to happen is that we may start off with some outbreaks of rain in the north and the west. England and Wales possibly dry to start off with, but then heavy showers or thunderstorms may be breaking out during the course of Wednesday afternoon. Again, the detail about this is very uncertain, this midweek period, so you're just going to have to watch your space, see how widespread heavy downpours become. But potentially we could have some big showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Temperatures in that southeast corner still look very warm, up to sort of 28, 29 perhaps. Further northwest, so it's getting cooler all the time, so for much of northwestern Britain, temperatures only upper teens to low 20 Celsius. The showers and storms will then clear away, I think, overnight, Wednesday into Thursday, introducing much cooler and fresher air across the whole country on Wednesday night. So by the time we get through to Thursday, we're in a different air mass. We're in an Atlantic-based air mass with wind coming in from the west. It will be cooler and fresher in that southeast corner by Thursday. Thursday itself could actually be quite a decent day for many of us. There could be outbreaks of rain moving into western Scotland and Northern Ireland later on, but otherwise probably a reasonable amount of dry weather with bright or sunny spells. Temperatures will be a lot lower. It will feel cooler and fresher with a range somewhere between around, say, 16 to 21. That's 61 Fahrenheit to 70 Fahrenheit, and it's much closer to what you would expect to see the temperatures doing at the end of August. That takes us through to Friday, and by then it's beginning to turn more unsettled as low pressure starts coming from the Atlantic. Again, quite a bit of uncertainty about the detail for this end of the week period into next weekend. Central east areas could start off Friday mainly dry with sunny spells, maybe quite a chilly start across the country as well. Cloud and outbreaks of rain moving into the west later on in the day. Some of that rain could be quite heavy. Temperatures probably ranging from around 15 to 20. And then into next weekend, well, Saturday looks like it could be quite unsettled. Heavy rain pushing across many parts of the country, particularly through the morning, then turning brighter with sunshine and showers following along behind. And then into Sunday, this is of course the first day of September and the first day of meteorological autumn, we find ourselves in a northwesterly wind with sunshine and showers likely. Temperatures could well take a bit of a tumble over the weekend, so we could well start September and meteorological autumn on quite a cool note actually, with temperatures which you believe a little bit below average. Again, bear in mind quite a bit of uncertainty for this end of the week period and into next weekend. Finally, just having a look at charts weather outlook. So it's hot, dry and sunny today, and this goes on into tomorrow. Yes, that is forecasting 31 there, 88 Fahrenheit in the south and southeast of England. It could be a little bit higher than that, those temperatures. And it goes on into Bank Holiday Monday too. So this really is a vintage late summer bank holiday. I think we'll remember this one for a very long time. Into Tuesday, back into working week. Cloud and outbreaks of rain in the north and west. Still very warm in the southeast, mainly dry. And then Wednesday is the breakdown day, with heavy showers, possibly thunderstorms breaking out. Outbreaks of rain further north and west, still clinging on to those warm temperatures in the southeast. But through the day, the cooler, fresher air is heading in off the Atlantic. And then by the time you get through to Thursday and Friday, we're into much cooler and fresher temperatures, with winds coming in off the Atlantic. And it's probably turning more unsettled as well as we get through to the end of the week and next weekend. So, in summary, well, we're starting off with a heat wave. We're going to have this hot weather with us until around Tuesday, Wednesday. For many of us, it will break down, though, through the middle part of the week. Heavy showers, thunderstorms could break out on Wednesday. Detail about that really is very uncertain at this stage, but we will keep you posted on it. I mean, in the second half of the next week, it turns cooler for all of us, but also potentially start to turn a bit more unsettled, especially by the time we get through to next weekend. Come back later on when we'll extend out beyond the week ahead time frame, and we'll look at the weather for the next 10 days and beyond. That will be with you later on this afternoon. And don't forget to check out that third and final autumn seasonal model roundup. Tomorrow we've got Solar Sunday coming up, so it will be Solar Sunday tomorrow, last Solar Sunday of the year. Also, the final Galsworthy Sunday roundup of the year as well. So both of those will be coming up for you tomorrow, and a little sneak peek for winter 2019-2020 tomorrow afternoon. That's just going through the methodology of the winter updates and discussing what we're going to look at for winter updates. But we'll be a couple of long range models included in that. And then on Bank Holiday Monday, we've got the historic weather video looking at the autumn and winter of 1938-1939, as well as Terry Scully's autumn forecast. So it's all going on over the weekend. Do keep checking back to the website if you can, but also enjoy the bank holiday weekend and enjoy the fine weather that we have got for this late summer bank holiday. Right, so back later on with your 10-day video update, but that's all for now, and thanks for watching.